Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna do another battery video, but this is gonna be a video about how to test the battery with a multimeter. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I've got this battery meter. Maybe a year ago. I have multiple cents. Hold on. Just a small one, you know, nothing too fancy. I don't normally know how much they cost, but I don't think they should be over like $20. I actually got this one from a friend, because I work on stuff all the time, and I was needing one, so. Alright, so, how to put it together, okay? There's marks on here. Focus. That COM is negative. The this one up here that has the V and the headphone mark, that's positive. Oh wait, no. That is negative 2. So wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, so the red, the one that has the V, is positive. The one that has COM is negative. I'm going to start this video off with thanks to all my subscribers and people that like my videos and stuff. Because y'all, you know, it's a really great feeling. And it makes me want to do more videos like this. So, how you test the battery? Okay, you see on this battery it says neg. That's negative. And then on this side it says positive. POS. So, what you do is you take the black, which is the negative, you put it up to a black one. Just like that. And then the positive, put on the positive side. And you can see right here 13 volts. That's about good right there. But yeah. So, and it's on focus. I don't know if you can see that what it's on right now, but it's on 20. And it's DCV. But yeah. So, I didn't make a video yesterday because, you know, I was tired and kind of had a stuffy nose and a nosebleed, so. This is really hard to do with one hand. It's not making good contact. There we go. Okay, so it once again said 13 volts. And if you don't, like, for instance, your battery is at, let's see, let's try this battery. Your battery's at like 9. Then that's when you take this, I got a battery charger, not sponsored, but I bought this one from Myers for like, I think 20 bucks, I think I paid for it. But you just have to plug it in. Then you wait for that light to come on. See? And if you have it switched like this, this will happen. That one, it says reversed. So all you need to do is switch them. Not every battery charger will do that. Just a little tip out there. But yeah, so these other ones, this is for DC, this is for batteries right here. The DC V, that's for batteries. The AC V is for like electrical outlets like this, like that. And yeah, if you have higher than 20 volts, then you go up to 200. You have higher than 200, go up to 1000. I highly doubt you'll ever have to use the 1000 or probably even the 2000. I mean the 200. But there's a little tip out there, you know. Yeah, so if you guys like the video, like it, don't forget to subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, it's Ronald DIY King, and I'm out.